everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your stamper. So I recently received two stamper heads which do not stamp, and it's pretty disappointing because I have used the stamper from that brand and it does work. So I'm really sure that some of you guys must be facing the same issue, and I thought I should make a video on how you can fix your stamper, and this works perfectly. So I'm going to be showing you guys how it used to work and how it's going to work after I fixed it. So all you need is some water and a dishwashing liquid and you're ready to go. So let's get right in the video. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how the stamper from this brand actually works, and as you can see, this one is a crisp clear pattern and you can see every detail on it. So this is how a stamper must actually work. So this is a stamper I got from Beauty Big Bang, and this is really inexpensive and it would be lovely if it worked perfectly. And as you can see, it's not really sticky, and probably that's the reason it does not work. It's pretty disappointing that it doesn't work because you can actually get a lot of these and replace your older ones with this one, because this stamper head fits perfectly on your average stamper. So before we begin, I'm going to be showing you guys how the stamper head works, and I'm going to be using this beautiful mandala stamping plate by Bon Pretty Store, and you can see these designs are really pretty, and I'm just going to be using the stamper to pick one of the pattern, and as you can see, this literally does not pick the pattern. You can hardly see some details that have been picked up, but there's literally nothing. So to fix this, you will just need some warm water and a dishwashing liquid. So here I do not have a dishwashing liquid, so I just picked a little bit of the dishwashing bar and then mixed it with this warm water. And next, what you got to do is you need to remove the stamping head and place it inside the warm water for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. So I prefer just placing it there for 5 seconds and then gently take it out of the water and just give it a rub at the top of it, and just be really gentle with it. You don't want to squish it or leave a mark on it. And once you're done with that, just place it on a tissue or a piece of paper and remove the excess water that's present. And next, just use a piece of tape and remove the excess tissue that might have been left on top of your stamper. And I kind of do this all around the stamper, and I'm going to be fixing it back on my stamper. So the last step that I like to do in this process is I take a little bit of acetone on a tissue, or you could also use a cotton, but I prefer a tissue because it does not leave back a lot of pieces on the stamper. So I'm just going to be taking some acetone and just gently place it on top of the stamper head. So never use acetone on your stamper head. This is just the first time as it's not working. So once I'm done with that, you can still see some bits of tissue on the stamper head. So I'm just going to be using the tape again. And finally, you can just use a cap and save it for later on. But I'm going to be showing you guys what difference this makes. And as you can see, this has picked up a really crystal clear design, and you can see the difference from the previous pattern to the pattern that it has right now. So it absolutely works. You definitely need to give it a try if your stamper head is not working. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below if you have any other queries, and I'll try to find a way out of it. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.